I'm gonna try to keep it short, but this video was some products that I have not tried, y'all. Like, if y'all remember January, yeah, think about before January and then still adding on top of that. We got a lot to get into, so let's do it. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl J Ross, back with another video. So as you guys can tell by the titles down below, I'm going to be trying a full face from beginning to end, except for brows, of products that I have not tried. If you watched my video way back in January, I have a drawer this size of items that I have not tried. Day by day, month by month, quarantine haul by quarantine haul. It keeps getting more full and full and full. And I know I've been doing other videos, but I want to take this time, catch up on some of the things that I have been meaning to try since like January or even before January. Like stuff I haven't even opened, stuff I ordered like Black Friday and still have not tried. Like this is how backed up with trying stuff. I wouldn't say backed up, I just keep buying more stuff that I don't need. But I think I'm done buying for a while because I realized you have a lot of stuff that you have not tried, so you should start doing that. So that's what I'm going to do in this video today. Some of them are extremely new to me, but they've been around for a minute. So let's just go ahead and get into this video. You guys should be proud of me because I'm actually trying a different eyeshadow primer than the Conceal and Define. But I'm also trying a new eyeshadow palette from a brand that I have never tried before. So the new eyeshadow palette I'm going to be trying is the Rude Cosmetics C'est La Vie. It's our secret 30 colors eyeshadow palette. This is what the cover looks like, and then this is what the back looks like. And then on top of that, I'm going to be trying a new eyeshadow primer. This is the WetnWild PhotoFocus eyeshadow primer. Oh, that might be way too much. Whoa. You know what? I'm gonna start over. I know that's wasteful, but I feel like I've applied way too much. I don't know how much, like, it feels weird when I'm like pushing a primer out of a squeezy tube because it's like I'm so used to using a wand. So let's go ahead and open up this eyeshadow palette. So it has the same packaging on the palette as it does on the box. Has a nice size mirror. Trying to not to blind you guys. There it is, rose gold back. Got some shimmers, got some mattes in there. Seriously don't know how this eyeshadow primer is supposed to look. Okay, I think I'm making it worse, so let's just go ahead and move on to doing the eye. I can't, nope. This is why I don't like white eyeshadow bases. This is why, right there. Nope, I can't do it. That looks a mess. I tried, maybe I'll try it again, maybe I applied too much, but that, no. That like hurt to get off my eye. Gosh, no. Let's try Srsly. Go back to the shade Gentlesse. Yeah, we're gonna go back to this shade right here. Shiat. That's how you pronounce it. I'm only gonna pronounce that once and we gonna let this go. Alright? I don't want no problems. I don't want nobody thinking I'm swearing. We're just gonna let that go. I wanna say that's Hypnos. That seems pretty easy to pronounce, but it's probably wrong because I feel like majority of these shades are in French. So if that's not Hypnos, I don't know what it is. That black was like, no, I'll work here. And I'm showing up on time. Matter of fact, I was 20 minutes early. Don't know if I wanted it to be that smoky, but we're here now and we can't go back. I've never been to one, but I always wanted to go to Cirque du Soleil. I just want to go to one time. I think Soleil means sun. I think. Once again, I took French and I can't remember. But I'm going to take Soleil on my finger. It's a pretty shade though. I like that. Ooh, that's really pretty. See what you do in the eyes. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Alrighty then. You did not come to play. And that wasn't even wet or an eyeshadow base underneath that. What? Like, you guys know sometimes for shimmers, I put my like an eyeshadow primer underneath. Not eyeshadow primer, but a glitter primer underneath. Like, that was what the man, that is bomb right. When my eyes want to do the Fox Eye challenge and ain't nobody tell them to do that. Like, I just tried to wipe it away and then it just creates that look. You know what, whatever. Let me try out this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte Primer. Oh my gosh, me and over applying stuff today is just doing the most. I know you guys are gonna make fun of me because this foundation has been out for like ever. And I bought it like forever ago and I have never used it, never opened it, anything like that. So I don't even know if this is the right shade for me, but I can't return it. So it is what it is. I am so scared to tell y'all this, but this is the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. That was probably my first time opening this up since I bought this. And so to complement the foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Conceal and Perfect Longwear Concealer. This is in the shade Cool Toffee is what it is, 180. So I'm just gonna set it with my normal e.l.f. Prep and or Prime and Stay powder. All right, thankfully the full face powder that I have should darken it up, because last time I tried it, it made it really dark. So I'm giving it another try. I haven't touched it since. This is the Revolution Conceal and Define Satin Matte Powder with hyaluronic acid. This is in the shade 16.5. I knew this was gonna darken it up because this powder is way darker than what it should be. Shouldn't be this dark. It really shouldn't. So next up, this one's a little bit newer. This one's a little bit newer. This is the Chocolate Marshmallow Truffle from BH Cosmetics. This is the 4-color blush palette. This is the darkest one. Like I said, this is Chocolate Marshmallow. There are 3 or 4 others. It definitely smells sweet. So this is what that looks like. Aren't they pretty? Pretty blushes, pretty blushes. I'm gonna see if this blush actually contours me, because I can do that. Now we just don't keep it for blush. Let's go with this one. I'm gonna go with that one. I don't think it has a shade name, so, but it does have a sheen to it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh gosh. It's like a copper. Oh, I guess I won't be needing highlight today. Taking my foundation brush and we're gonna try that again. But we're gonna apply more up here. So it gives you a flushed yet highlight look. Now let's go back with this shade. Let's see what that does. Hante, hot, whatever that says. And because I feel better about my life, I'm just gonna go I'm gonna go ahead and go into that Hypnose shade, which is that black shade. Let's go into Le Rêve, which is this shade. For lips, I'm going to try this Srsly Satin lipstick. You guys know I've already tried this from e.l.f, but this is a new shade to me. This is the shade Cider. It's not bad without a liner, actually. It's not. But I'm not gonna wear it without a liner. I'm just gonna line it with my NYX liner in the shade Espresso. Alright guys, so this is the overall final and finished look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. So I did add a gloss because, I don't know, I just feel like adding a gloss. It wasn't even a gloss that really changed the color, which is really good. It is the Flesh Hot Sauce Lip Gloss in the shade A Snow Globe. So that's all I added. It's basically the same thing I have on my lips every time I start my video. So yeah, it really didn't add anything to the color. It just literally just gave it a glossy shine, which I like. So these two colors definitely complement each other. So let's start off with the eyeshadow primer. I will try it again. I think I might have applied too much. I think that's what it was. I won't judge this yet, but yeah, that's all I'm gonna say for that. I actually like this eyeshadow palette. I can't wait to try more shades. Like, I really cannot. But for the shades that I did try, I think it did the job. I'm so stuck on this shimmer though. Like, that shimmer gold is life. Next up, I did my base. So you have the matte face primer. My face does not feel tight, which is a good thing. But I do want to warn you, I am on the oily combo skin. That's what my skin type is, but at least for me, I like to do something hydrating underneath, like my moisturizer maybe hydrating, or my eye cream maybe hydrating, something like that. I don't want matte on top of matte on top of matte on top of powder on top of matte, like, you know, I just don't want that much mattness. So far, thumbs up for the primer, but I will try it again. As far as the foundation and the concealer, I think they do fit very well together. I think I just may need to get a shade darker. Would I be willing to try it again? I would be. I like this concealer. I would just need a different shade, and then I think I like the foundation. I don't know. I can't return them, so I might have to work with what I got. This chocolate marshmallow truffle blush palette from BH Cosmetics wasn't bad. Was not bad. I do like the shades. I just don't know if because of the foundation being lighter than my skin complexion, I can't really see the shades for what they are. The scent is okay. It smells sweet, but it's just like, y'all don't really need to do that, in my opinion. Like I said, this was my first time trying this powder foundation, but it is too dark for the shade that it's supposed to be, in my opinion. But it does what it's supposed to do. It did help my face look more normal, so I guess I gotta give it props for that. As far as this lip, the Srsly lip satin lipstick, I already have, like I said, that's my 6th one. I love the formula of those things, and they're not a drying matte, they're a satin matte. And they feel good and they're comfortable and creamy, and I like them, and I like the shade selection that they have. It's 10 shades total as of right now. And I have, I think this one and Cocoa that I have are the two darkest. They could go one more darker than Cocoa, but the star of this for sure would be the eyeshadow palette. For this being the first time me trying Root Cosmetics, I am not at all whatsoever upset. I like it. The only thing I'm upset about is waiting so long to try it, but I do like it.
Second of all, you know I'm vacillating here trying to...
You guys let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna wrap it up there, except for this, because I have to retry this. I will not judge this. I have to retry this. But everything so far, I liked it. I do know I have an unboxing video that I recorded like about a month or two ago. So if you guys see a familiar eye look, just know that that was pre-recorded, but I have been getting out your requests so much that I want to push that back just so I can make sure I'm getting you guys requests like quicker and like when you guys ask for them. So you may see a couple videos here and there that may have been pre-recorded, just warning you guys now, but they're still quality content. It's still quality content, still stuff I want you guys to come back and watch. Please stay safe, happy, healthy, and blessed, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Peace.